So every now and then we'll kind of do a non-Mustang project. So let me show you one of our non-Mustang projects. That's this super awesome 1949 F-1 pickup. Now the cool thing about this truck is it has the heart of a Mustang, equipped with a Gen 2 Coyote engine. This truck has quite the story. We actually kind of took it over from another shop to get her to the finish line, but got the whole interior in there, got her started up, got her running. This drive's pretty nice. We do like it. Let's hear how she sounds. All right, let's go for a drive. The thing is about this truck is like, man, it doesn't have like crazy radical power. It just has like standard Coyote power, like no power adders, no modifications. I mean, it has a Ford Performance pack in it, but this truck it just moves. And there's like no weight in the back end, so it's like, kind of like scares me to like actually get after it. Quarter throttle, it just moves. Holy cow. I know it's not the same when you're just watching it on YouTube, but holy cow. Just these Coyotes, they're just like, they just have so much power, like naturally. And they have so much potential. It's just out of control. This truck has like no weight in the back end, so it's probably really easy for it to get away from you. So, you know, it's a Coyote engine, Gen 2. It's got a, oh, that was pretty sweet, 56 Bel Air. It's got, you know, it's paired with, you know, it's standard, you know, 6L80, you know, automatic transmission, 6-speed. It's got a Ford 9-inch. We put Eaton Tru-trac differential in it. 373, I believe, was the gear ratio we did. So she scoots pretty good, and you know, it's got a fin and chair AC system in it, and electric power steering E-Pass system. So all in all, the truck is riding and driving very nice, and we finally get to go home. So, but I did think it was kind of cool just to kind of show, you know, if you kind of follow us along, you kind of know us for, you know, the Mustang content, you know us for kind of like the kind of basic kind of mechanical stuff that we do, which is, you know, first generation Mustang. But what you don't see is kind of all the other stuff that we do, and this is one of those other stuff. So you might even have noticed this in the background of some of our, you know, Mustang videos. It's just kind of been there, and you know, I don't film a lot of the other stuff that we do, and so I just thought it was kind of cool to kind of showcase this. So, you know, I mean, we ended up doing the whole interior on it, you know, full custom interior, you know. Mike that works with us, he built this whole center console and everything, so it turned out awesome, I think. And you know, there's other stuff that we do aside from just kind of mechanical stuff, and we do full-scale restoration on Mustangs, and you know, I think that maybe I need to kind of start showing off some of that stuff, kind of showing you the paint work and the body work that we do, and you know, just the full restoration. So aside from just the basic mechanical stuff, you know, we do it all. So anyways, yeah, no, I just thought it was cool to show you this truck. Hopefully it was cool. Give us a thumbs up if you think so, and you know, if you want to follow us along, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all those cool things do go a long way when it comes to kind of helping us grow and keep making cool stuff. Okay, all right, one more good acceleration. This is gonna get someone in trouble. Not me personally, but that guy I know. That guy's gonna get in trouble. Yeah, for sure. Good trouble. Just makes me want to Coyote swap on a Mustang, dude. I haven't done a Coyote swap on a Mustang before. Makes me want to do it. Jeez, these things run. Wow. Okay. Stop sign coming up. I gotta be careful. This is like 35-mile-an-hour residential area. One more pull. One more good little. Gotta make sure it doesn't break on the customer, you know. I am not gonna go hard because I do not want to put this truck into the ditch. Not even half throttle. I'm too scared. I don't even dare go full throttle in this truck. I don't even dare. Like, no. It's got too much power. You can just feel how much power I have.